This is part 2 of repairing and cleaning our broken brand new $1,000 fridge. I think we've only had it a few months and it's only broken down. The door was left open. It got frosted over. I have just come in the dryer here and kind of defrosted it at the back here. As you can see, we've got to put the cover back on and hopefully this will work. And now I'm going to clean it with Jif. That's my favourite for cleaning fridges because it gets rid of tough food stains and it has a nice lemon smell. It's not too toxic. It's not like bleach, which can get into your food after, and it doesn't scratch the surface, and it smells lovely of lemon. So we're gonna clean it now. And look at all the water that's been left. Heaps of water. So yeah. I'll clean this all up and hopefully this should fix the problem. There's a stain here. But yeah, all the water's fallen down from the melted ice up here. Okay, and we've got to clean all the top of the shelf. So this was, and clean all the doors here. Well, that's my husband's favourite beer. Clean all this. And there's the cat. Look, Kayla, if you come to inspect. We just had this Swiss knife, very handy, to unscrew the panel off the back. Where are you going, Kayla? You're not going to come back. There was no cat food in there. Alright, so I'll let you guys know if this works. Said before, it's a Westinghouse fridge, so just be aware. It's not very reliable. I'm very disappointed with the fact that you can't even leave the door open without it breaking down. And this is the bottom freezer. Oh, see, it's a double door here. I'll show you. See, it's a double door. Double. And this is the lower door. So this is the freezer down here. Like that. It's the latest model. Very disappointed. Maybe we have to defrost this regularly. Keep an eye on it. Come here. Come on, Kayla. What do you think? There's no food in there. Okay. Right. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.